Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Finding the rate of change for this expanding metal sheet is fast. We just apply the product rule to find the answer.
First, define area as length times width. Since both dimensions change over time, use the product rule to find the derivative of area with respect to time. Now we plug in our known values. The width is 200 and the length is 300. We also know the width grows at 2 and the length grows at 3. Multiply these to get 600 plus 600. Adding them gives 1200 square millimeters per minute, making option D the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust the given values and check your steps.